Hi guys, I'm Vince Valiente from Philippines and I have a 3 years of experience doing SEO, including on-page, off-page, and technical SEO as well. And I do have an expertise for doing a campaign in Google Ads and also the Meta Ads for Facebook and Instagram. And I run such campaigns for Google Ads such as PMax or Performance Max campaign, search campaign, and also a YouTube ad as well. And I would like to apply for this position because I think the expertise that I have fits the job description that is included on your careers page or on the online jobs that where I saw your post. So I can explain more about my experience and expertise and also the strategies that I have for our future clients. So if you think I am a good fit for this position, please let me know. And I appreciate you all and have a nice day.